Hey! So today's video is kind of weird and out of my comfort zone, but I thought it'd be a really fun idea to try. So I've always wondered what I would look like if I had different coloured eyes, different coloured hair, did my makeup in a different way, and so I kind of thought it would be cool to do that in a video, just kind of transform myself into completely different looks, as if I kind of look like a different person. So I'm going to be doing that today. I'm going to be transforming myself into 3 different kind of looks. I've got 3 different wigs and I've got 3 different coloured contact lenses, so I'm going to kind of base a look off those. So I'm just going to talk about where I got the contact lenses from actually. So I've got 3 different pairs of contact lenses from the website lensesjourney.com, and basically they are a monthly subscription service for fashion contact lenses, and basically when you subscribe you get a pair of contact lenses every month, but they are a mystery pair, so you don't know what colour you're going to get, but you can check what contact lens theme you have by the colour of the packaging. So this is pink, and it's also written in the challenge card inside. So in the box you get this challenge card, and that changes every month, and underneath there is what they challenge you to do. So I'm going to blur this out because I don't want to ruin the surprise if you are interested in purchasing the mystery box, because that's the point of the mystery. But basically every month is different and you have a different colour theme and then a different challenge to go with that, and it's just to spread positivity. It makes you feel really good and confident, and that's what they're aiming to do. So the challenge card that I got this month is Sparkling Confidence, but there are 6 different themes, and they are Jolly Adventure, Seductive Impression, Sparkling Confidence, which is obviously the one that I got, Brightly Dynamic, Warm Affection and Blissful Positivity. So the whole vibe is just really positive and really happy, and I really like that. They also send you a little thank you card in the box, and this has basic care instructions, and also if you do subscribe and then you get your contact lenses and you share a picture or something on your social media, then you'll get a special gift from Lenses Journey. And they also have a referral program launching on the 1st of August. So all you have to do is sign up to their website, and then you get a referral code, and if your friends or family use that referral code and they sign up as well, then you'll get free products. So if you think you might be interested in signing up for the Lenses Journey subscription service, then take a look in the description box and I will leave my referral code so you can go and use that to sign up. If that didn't really make sense to you and you're really confused, then go over to their website and have a look for yourself. It explains it a lot better on there. So now I'm going to get on with the transformations, and I'm going to put the contact lenses in first. I've got blue, hazel and green, and I've got a blonde wig, a red wig and kind of like a grey ombre wig. So I think I'm going to start with the blue contact lenses with the blonde wig, and then I'm going to do my makeup really differently to how I normally do it, and hopefully the end result will be just like a completely different me. Okay, so I've just zoomed you in so you can see me a little bit better. I'm kind of doing this one-handed because I've got a mirror in one hand, so it might not go right the first time, but just bear with me. That went in really easily actually. Whoa! Oh my god, that looks so cool. I did not expect it to be that like bright. Normally when you get contact lenses they're really like kind of see-through a little bit, but these are just not at all. Wow. Okay, now for the second one. They go in so easily, what the hell. Oh my god, they look so crazy. Love them. So obviously my base isn't really going to change much because I need to match my skin tone still, but I just used this ordinary foundation here. I haven't done a makeup video in so long, so this feels really weird. I can't get over this eye colour, it's so cool. I'm just going to add some concealer as well. Next I'm just going to take a little bit of powder. This is just the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And then I'm going to use my Too Faced bronzer to do a little bit of contouring. I'm going to do quite a heavy contour because I normally don't, so that's something different I'm going to do with my makeup. And this is the reason why I don't, because I'm so bad at it. And then I'm going to contour my nose slightly so it just changes the shape a little bit. Next I'm going to do some highlight, and I've just got this pink highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows, but I don't really know what I'm going to use because I only have like dark colours, and if I'm going to be blonde I should probably use lighter, but I don't have any. Okay, so I found this really old collection eyeshadow palette that I used to have, but it's got quite a blondie colour, so I might try and mix that and the middle one to make a lighter shade. So what I'm going to do is actually put some eyebrow gel in them and make them a little bit more bushy, because I do really like bushy eyebrows, but I don't normally tend to do it myself every day. So I'm using this Fleur de Force eyebrow gel and just going to bush up the ends a little bit. Okay, so next I'm moving on to eyeshadow, and I'm going to try and use a combination of colours from these two Morphe palettes. I absolutely love both these palettes so much, but I've never actually used either of them before, which is awful because I've had them for ages. I just think it's because they're like shoved at the bottom of my drawer because they're so big, so I never actually reach for them first. This is the Fall Into Frost palette, and this is, oh, I can't remember what this one was called, 35 OS. So I don't know what colour combination to do. I don't want to just go for like a crazy colour combination, have it look like really bad just because I never do it. So I still want it to look good. I'm going to go for colours that I wouldn't normally go for, but that still might match the look. I think I'm going to go for something like this, or maybe this for the shimmer colour, and then do like a matte purpley colour in the crease. This might ruin the whole thing, I have no idea, but here we go. These Morphe eyeshadows are so pigmented, as you can see. I love them. I don't know why I don't use them more. And then I'm actually going to use my Naked Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm going to use this as my transition colour. I can't really tell if this is going well or not. We're going to keep going with it. We're going to keep going. And then I'm going to use this darker like grape colour for the corner. Okay, so it's pretty much the eyeshadow done. I'm just going to go and do the other eye. There we go. So yes, very dramatic, very not what I'm used to. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I can't really see that well because my light is so bright in my face. Next I'm going to use this eyeliner. I do sometimes wear eyeliner, but more often than not I won't. Okay, I feel like this is just getting worse and worse, but again, we're going with it. Next I'm going to put on some false eyelashes because I don't normally wear false eyelashes unless I'm going to an event of some kind, or on a night out where I can actually be bothered to put them on. Most of the time I can't. I'm now going to do a little bit of liquid liner to just cover up the like bone of the eyelash. That sounds really weird, but you know what I mean. And now hopefully to bring it all together, I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the Kiko Unmeasurable Length Mascara, my favourite mascara, I love it. I'm going to use this pink lip liner. This is just a Rimmel one that I've had for ages, and line my lips because I never normally line them. And then I'm going to use this pink lipstick because I never wear pink lipsticks. This is just MAC in the shade Speed Dial. And then I'm going to finish off with this Kiko lip gloss. This is the Hydra lip gloss in number 4. Okay, wow. I really don't know what I think about this. It's just so different to what I'm used to, shall we put it that way. But there we have it. Yeah, different face. I'm now gonna go and put my wig on and hopefully the transformation will be complete. Thoughts? Write down in the comments below what you think. Be as honest as you want, I don't really mind. I do know that this wig looks unbelievably cheap, okay? But it was the cheapest one that I could find, so that's why it looks cheap. But anyway, yeah. This is my first look. So I've got the blue contact lenses in, which I love, and then this tragic blonde wig. So yeah, this is the first look. I definitely don't think I'll be doing a full head of bleach anytime soon. That's for sure. So now I'm going to change my look again. This time I'm going to use the red wig and the green eye colour. I'm going to do the makeup and stuff off camera because otherwise I'll be here all day. But when I come back, you'll be able to see the whole transformation. So I should look really different. Hey! So this is the second look. I am feeling this one more actually than the first one. I went for the red wig with the green eyes. I've got a little bit of gold shimmer eyeshadow on, and I changed my lip colour to red. I feel like if I was wearing green, I could pull off the Poison Ivy like superhero costume a bit. Yeah, this one's very fiery and sassy, but I do still like it, and I think the red goes with the green eyes really well. And I really like these green contact lenses because they're not too fake looking, they're really natural looking. But let me know if you prefer the first look, so the blonde hair, this one, or the one that I'm about to show you in a moment. And this is the final look. So I've got like a grey ombre wig going on, although it kind of looks a little bit greenish. But anyway, yeah, cheap wig, what can you do? And then I've also got the hazel contact lenses in, which are closest to my actual eye colour, which is obviously brown. So I decided to go for kind of like a natural-ish makeup look for that. So I just kind of took off most of the eye makeup, then put just like a nude gloss on. So yeah, this is the final look. So let me know what you think of this one as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and had some fun seeing what I would look like in a few different ways. I actually had a lot of fun filming this video. Even though the wigs weren't great, the contact lenses were amazing. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favourite look was, whether it's this one, the red hair, the blonde hair, or just my usual look. Also let me know what your favourite contact lens colour was in the comments below as well. And don't forget to go to lensesjourney.com if you're interested in the contact lens subscription mystery box. If you haven't already and you would like to, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you on board, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!